I'm preparing breakfast for our 22-month-old. This is egg and banana mixed, and I'm gonna be putting these little pancakes in there. Dip. This is a good way for us to get our toddlers to eat more eggs. He doesn't like to eat eggs by itself. So the banana makes it sweet, and he really likes the little pancake. So making like a little French toast here. Oh, this one burnt a little bit. Today is day 1441 of us living the van lifestyle. We're a family of 3 traveling through Utah right now, and we're currently in the Grand Staircase-Escalante National Monument. I'm just preparing breakfast for everybody before we get the day started. And today we are going to be heading back into Escalante, the town, and continuing our way south into warmer climates. Some people have asked us about our van life plans and where we plan to go. And we got a little bit of an update. So for the holidays this year, we will be traveling back to New York to visit family. And we decided that we'll be flying from the Phoenix airport. We'll be traveling back to New York mid-December. So we will need to be in the Phoenix area by that time. This smells so good. Just right over. Yeah, it's a little bit hot. How do you say hot? Is it hot? Okay, try it. Okay. Yes. Okay, it's good to eat now. It's too hot? Okay, try now. Try now. Yeah, not too hot anymore, huh? Good? We're pretty much done with the cold, so we want to head south into the Phoenix area, and from what I saw, it should be in the 60s to 70 degrees range over in Arizona. And we'll be heading over to California afterwards. Some of the places that we want to visit in Arizona are Sedona, the Petrified Forest National Park, and Seguro National Park. So that's the plan for now, but it can change at any time. Alright, let's finish our breakfast. I'm making a spam and egg sandwich for Rena.
Choo 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 choo. Tick tock.
Alright, Spence, let's get in the car seat and get going.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Let me show you guys where we camped last night. Whoa, it's windy. This is the trailhead hikes that I went on, the Slot Canyon yesterday. Really level spot here. It's really quiet at night too. Yeah, there's a few cars here now. People are going on. But yeah, it was a nice spot. We're gonna head back into Escalante, the town. As per Google, it's gonna be 28 minutes, but it's probably gonna take a little bit longer because the road here on the hole in the rock road is full of washboards. So we're going like 10 to 12 miles an hour the whole way. So it's so slow, 15 miles. So it's gonna take a little while. But we're gonna head over to town, and there's a place we can fill up our freshwater tank over at the visitor center. We saw that 2 days ago. So we're gonna go fill up our freshwater tank first before we continue driving. Yeah, it's almost time to nap, Spence. Oh yeah, this washboard road is so hard to drive on. We're approaching the town of Escalante, and we are gonna go fill up the water real quick. We're here at the Escalante Visitor Center. We saw this water hookup here, but there's a sign that says prohibited filling up RV, so we gotta go somewhere else to fill it up. Alright, we're gonna fill it up at the Escalante Cabins and RV Park instead. We were here, we stayed here at this campground a couple of days ago, so they definitely have water. So because we stayed here a couple of nights ago, they're not going to charge us for water, which is nice of them. There's a hookup right by the entrance here, so we're going to just fill up our tank here. here's the overflow, so we are good to go. We're making our way over to Cedar City, which is about a two and a half hour drive from where we are. Something that I haven't heard other van lifer talk about regarding this lifestyle is how the perception of time changes living this lifestyle. I've lived in an apartment in a house before, worked a normal job, 9 to 5, and during that time, a year goes by and it passes by, and you look back, and it feels like it happens so quickly. And even if you look back 2-3 years, it feels like it goes by so quickly, right? I know you guys are familiar with that feeling, and I think with van life, the perception of time is the opposite. I mean, we feel like a year goes by, or a month even goes by so slow, and there's a reason behind that. So I'll give you guys a quick story. A few years ago, Rena and I, we were driving in the van, and we were in Denver, Colorado. It was like November, and I was asking Rena, hey, when was the last time we were in Denver in the van? And we were like, oh, it was last year, and sometime last year. But in reality, it was really just in March of that same year, so just a few months ago. But for us, in our mind, it felt like it was literally a year ago that we were in that place. And I think the reason behind that is because of the experiences that we get on a day-to-day basis. I mean, literally, we are sleeping in a new place, new location every single night, and we're waking up to a new location every day, seeing different things. Just the overlap and memories that we get from all this new places that we go, there's just no real repeating of us living the same day. So you can imagine how a month would feel if every day is different. I think the secret to having a fuller life is by having full of experiences, different experiences every single day, and I think van life is one of the best vehicles to do that with. We're passing the tunnel again.
But I promise you.
We're arriving Cedar City. We're gonna head over to Walmart. We're running low on a lot of things in the fridge, so we're gonna go pick up some stuff up.
Counting. May I join?
One of the main things is to fill up our drinking water. We got 2 containers. Hey, Spence. Hey. Of course, we got to spend some time with Spencer in the toy aisle here. We didn't really get to play outside too much today because it's too cold. So Walmart's the place for him to kind of roam around. Are you having fun, Spence? Just got done with Walmart. We're gonna get some takeout from the Asian bistro. I think Rena misses the beef and broccoli, the fake Asian food. And tonight we're gonna be staying at Walmart. The Chinese restaurant is just across the street from Walmart, so we're right here. Let's find the park over at Walmart. We want to look for a kind of more quiet spot and a more isolated spot. Maybe somewhere in the back over here. Walmart usually isn't our favorite place to be camping for the night. But it's already getting dark out, and there's probably BLM's land probably outside of the city, but we don't really feel like looking for another spot. So, and it's kind of getting late already too. We still haven't I'm still gonna cook some dinner. I mean, Rena got some Chinese food, but I'm still gonna cook, so not going to spend too much time for a spot here. So we'll just stay right here. Probably park closer to here in the dark. Yeah, it looks like there are 2 trailers here. They're probably camping too. They're parked like they're They got the doors facing each other. But we'll stay right here. Walmart. The entrance is over here. It's kind of dark here, so it's nice. Probably won't hear any of the road noises either. Yeah, not every night is gonna be really beautiful places to camp and sleep. Some nights we'll be staying in Walmarts like this. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Some van life days are gonna be a little bit boring like today. Mostly just driving and going from one place to another. Doing some grocery shopping. We're gonna be parked here at Walmart tonight. It's pretty flat here, so we should be able to get a good night's sleep, unless there's like a lot of road noise or something. But we probably won't hear much. It's if we do, we'll be kind of used to it too. There's another RV that just came by too, so I'm guessing this area a lot of people are parking here overnight. Cedar City, I guess, is not much here. Maybe it's just like a pass-through city in Utah. I'm gonna be making the steak soon, and Rena is gonna be eating some takeout with Spencer. We're gonna be hanging out here for the rest of the night. And if you guys like watching these real van life content, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, even though today's a little bit boring. Hopefully tomorrow you guys will tune in as well. Sorry, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Yeah, you haven't had rice in a long time. How's this fake Chinese food?
Why is it sweet?
What, the sauce? Yeah, that's not supposed to be sweet. It's like supposed to be savory. Yeah, it's fake Chinese food. And I'm just making a steak for tonight while they eat fake Chinese food. This is gonna get hot, okay? You gotta be really careful with this. Yeah? You got the steak right here. We're gonna be making some steak. Yeah, they look good, right? Does it look good? It does. Okay, you can have some later. Yeah, Spence. I was gonna order something for takeout, and I was gonna get a steak too, but I remember I cook a pretty mean steak, so let's just cook inside. Just letting the steak rest. It's almost up to temperature, and we are almost ready to cut it. The steak juice is going right into my garlic butter. Oh yeah. That's the dipping sauce.
Dada.
Oh, you want this? Yeah? Yeah. Can you sit down? That's the steak. Yum yum. Is it yummy? Look at that. Beautiful. Let's give it a taste. And the sauce. Butter. This is how you cook a good steak.